this video, I will show you how to solve example 3. So the first one we have VR equal to r power of 8 minus 7 r power of 6 plus 2 over 3 r power of 3. So this one is quite easy. Just apply all the four rules. So for this one, to differentiate VR, you will get dv dr, or you can write as v prime r equal to, so this one r power of 8, differentiate this, you will bring the 8 in front, so 8r, 8 minus 1, so you get 7, minus 7r power of 6, differentiate, you bring the 6 in front, so that 6 will multiply with 7, you get 42r, and this one minus 1, you get 5, plus 3 multiply with 2 over 3, you will get 2 r power of 2. Okay, so that's the first answer. The second one, we have y equal to 11 square of x plus 2x 5 over 3 minus 1 over x. So for this one, first you have to write this form. We don't want in the radical form, so you have to change to the form of x power or something in order to differentiate. So you can write this first as y equal to 11x power of half plus 2x 5 over 3, still the same, minus 1 over x is x power of negative 1. Okay, then only we differentiate, so you can write as dy dx, or you can write as y prime. Doesn't matter, you just write either one of these, not both. Okay, so this one again, you bring the half in front, so 11 and half multiply, you get 11 over 2. X power of half minus 1, you will get negative half, plus 5 over 3 times 2, you will get 10 over 3. X power of 5 over 3 minus 1 is actually 5 over 3 minus 3 over 3. So you will get 2 over 3. This one minus, and minus 1, you multiply with minus 1, you will get plus 1. Okay, so plus 1, normally we don't write the 1. So that x is minus 1 minus 1, so you get minus 2. Okay, then you can just simplify this, so you will get this one, x power of negative should be in the denominator, so 11 over 2 x, okay, let me see, 11 over 2, and this is x power of half here, which is square root of x, plus 10 over 3. You can either leave it like this, or you can write in the radical form. So I will just leave it in that form. Plus this one is 1 over x squared. Okay, then the third one here, you will have 3 over x power of 4 minus 4 over 3 square of x squared plus ln 2. So again, we just change that form first. So we get 3x power of negative 4 minus 4 over 3. The 3 is still in the denominator and is constant, so it's okay. You don't have to bring it over here. This one is actually square root of x squared. You see, this is square root, and x squared you can cancel, so it's just x here. And x bring over here, you get x power of negative 1. Plus ln 2, and this is still fx. We haven't differentiated, we just change the form. Now we want to differentiate this one, so because we use f here, then we can write as f prime x. Negative 4 times 3, you get negative 12. X power of negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. Minus 1 times with minus 4 over 3, you get positive 4 over 3. X minus 1 minus 1, you get negative 2. plus ln 2, differentiate ln 2 is 0 because ln 2 is a constant, a number. Okay, so again, we can simplify from here. So this is power of negative means it should be in the denominator. So minus 12 over x power of 5 plus 4 over 3 x squared. That is the answer. Okay, then the last one here, also the same. First, you change that form, make sure it's always x power of something. So this one you can simplify first. We know that z minus 2 over z power of 4 is actually z over z power of 4 minus 2 over z power of 4. So we can write this first as z over z power of 4 minus 2 over z power of 4 plus this one we can just multiply because we have z power of 1, z power of half, and if you still remember in first topic, review of algebra, if you have the same base, you can just plus the exponent. Okay, you just plus the half and the 1 here. So 12 is still 12, z power of half plus 1, you will get 3 over 2. Okay, and this one with this one, so you will get ez power of half. You use distributive property here. Okay, you distribute this one and this one. Okay, now only, okay, not yet. We have to simplify this one first. So this is z power of 1 over z power of 4. Again, you learn this in the first topic. Same base, you use division, so you have to minus the exponent. So z1 minus 4 is negative 3 minus 2z power of negative 4. You bring this one over here. Plus 12z power of 3 over 2 plus ez power of half. Okay, now only we can differentiate. So this is fz. Differentiate this, you will get f prime z, or you can write as del f del z. Okay, so differentiate this one, you bring the negative 3 in front. Z power of negative 3 minus 1, you get negative 4. Then minus 4 and minus 2, you get positive 8. Z power of negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. Plus 12 times 3 over 2, you get 18. Right? 12 times 3 is 36 over 2 is 18. 18 z 3 over 2 minus 1. So 3 over 2 minus 2 over 2, you get 1 over 2. Plus, now you see here, we want to differentiate the f with respect to z. So just focus on the z. E is again just a constant because E is 2.718. So constant is still constant. Differentiate z power of half, you will get half z power of half minus 1 is negative half. Okay, then we can simplify this form. So we have negative 3 over z power of 4 minus, plus 8 over z power of 5 plus 18. Again, that one you can change also to the radical form if you want, or you can just leave it like that, plus e over 2 square root of z. Okay, so that's the answer. Negative 3 over z power of 4 plus 8 z power of 5 plus 18 square root of z plus e over 2 square root of z.